Everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Jaji and bienvenidas a mi canal de YouTube. So today we're going to be doing a little Boxycharm unboxing. I know that I haven't filmed for a while, but my room was under remodeling, so we had to paint the room. We did the flooring. I got brand new furniture, and yeah, that took a while. We were sleeping in the sala for a little bit, so I had no place to film. So I'm so happy that I am back and able to film for you guys. If you guys want a room tour, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. This month's Boxycharm. We have a couple different products. They gave us Wander Beauty eye patches. They also gave us this Laura Lee Los Angeles party animal, and it looks like this here. Very fun, colorful colors. And then they gave us this Becca Ever Matte Poreless primer, which this I'm very excited about, because I've heard really good things about this primer. Then they gave us this Smash Box liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Brains and Bronze, and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So it's like a metallic color, which I don't think that it matches those eye colors, but I don't know. And then we got this Bang Beauty, what is it? Gel liner. It's in chocolate, which is this brown color, which I don't think it's gonna match either, but maybe we could use it as a eyebrows, but it looks really too brown. It looks really light, so I don't know. And then we also got this NCLA Los Angeles Cosmetics. This is a cuticle oil. Has vitamin E infused. It smells good. It smells good. So it says Lolipop, so it doesn't remind me of a lollipop. It reminds me of cotton candy. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more. There we go. So the theme for this month is life at the party. And then again, it lists all the cosmetics that comes in here. And then on the back, you have some coupons. So you have 20% off your next purchase from Smashbox. And then Laura Lee Los Angeles, you have 25% off your next order. Cha. So I really like coupons. So total price for the box itself, because remember this is a monthly subscription and I only pay $22 a month, which is not bad, and you get full-size products. So I mean, who can beat that? The eyeshadow palette is $19. The only thing that's not full size is the primer, so I think that's $15. It's a travel size. Then the Smashbox liquid lipstick, $13 for the eye mask, $22 for that gel liner. Okay. And then $18 for the cuticle oil. So total it's $108. So it's not bad. Like I said, you only pay $22 and you get full-size products. Cannot beat that at all. So we're going to jump right in it. So I don't know what type of look I want to go with for this look. Like, I mean, they're really pretty. I'm gonna swatch them for you. Okay, so that's the first roll. It looks a little patchy. And then we're gonna do the second row, which is Drinks, Bottom Up, and Hangover. I really like that pink. It has like sparkles in them, and then that purple. So these three colors are really fine. Like, they're very pigmented, and then as you can tell by the pink, it has glitter in them. My face, how I always do, I like to do my face before eyeshadow. I'm not sure why, it's just a habit. So like I said, the first thing in the box was this Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. And this supposedly oil control primer that perfects for an all-day matte smooth complexion while minimizing pores. Warm primer in hands before applying to face, then allow product to dry. Okay. So we're just going to work that into the skin. So off bat, it gets really tacky. So, I mean, we just gotta see how it lasts onto the skin. Okay, okay. So it says allow to dry, so we're just going to, yeah. So I'm going to do my face off camera and I'll be right back. All right, so face is done, eyebrows done, under eye, blah, blah, blah. So what I totally forgot to use before doing my face makeup is the Wander Beauty eye mask. I'll do it another video. I'm so sorry, I apologize for that. But this claims they are individually packed gold foil eye mask to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of black circles. So supposedly it also has aloe vera extract, lavender oil, offers a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. Damn it, I forgot to use it. I'll use it in the next video. I'm so sorry guys, I apologize for that. So anyways, we are going to jump in to the eyes. So, I don't know what type of look I want. Really want to use that yellow Is a Party, like this one. Like this is really, really pretty. It's really calling out to me. So we're gonna go in with bottoms up in the crease. I am going to zoom y'all in with bottoms up. It does have some kickback, and we're going to use that into the crease. So far they're blending really nicely. They are very pigmented. The only thing is, well, I could kind of see the sparkle. Not so much, but I could see it now that it's close up. Alright, so now that that's still all over, I am going to cut the crease. So now that I cut the crease, I am going to go in with It's a Party. And we are going to apply that all over the lid. Okay. Then we're gonna go back in with the pink, and we're just going to work that into the outer corner and blend everything together. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Put lashes on, and the lashes I used was from Ardell, which is the flawless ones. And then to kind of use everything that's in the box, we're gonna go in with the Bang Beauty gel liner, but I'm going to put it inside my waterline. Kind of see it, not too much, but I'm just gonna work with it. Finish the look, we're gonna go back in with the pink and work that into the lower lash line as well. Going to zoom you in again. And we're gonna go back in with It's a Party and then put that into the inner corner. Awesome. I forgot to use the cuticle oil. This smells amazing. So I me arranqué all my nails. So I'm just going to work that into my cuticles. It feels really nice and it smells amazing. So I most definitely will be using this. Oh, it smells so good. I want to eat it. So yeah, so definitely you're just going to work that into your cuticles. And you could use this at night before you go to bed, in the morning, whichever one you prefer. I like to use it at night so I could soak all night and yeah. So again, this smells amazing, and this has vitamin E infused. And yeah. So this is called Lolipop. So yeah guys, so that completes this video. Let me know what you guys received in your Boxycharms. I know there was like 3 or 4 different products that you were able to get. So yeah, so overall, of course, I love Boxycharm. I always support them. This is a monthly subscription for only $22 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. So yeah, so I mean, I definitely recommend you guys getting Smashbox, especially if you're a beginner and you want to build up your collection, or if you're a makeup lover like myself. I always, you know, enjoy makeup. So overall this month I really liked it. The only thing I feel like it just didn't match, like the gel eyeliner is brown with a bright ass eyeshadow palette, and then that metallic lipstick, I mean, to me they didn't match, but I mean they're really nice anyways. The cuticle oil is the A+. Overall, the eyeshadow palette, it was really nice, and the colors are really nice now for summer, but summer is now ending. But they were very buildable and they're very pigmented, and they were very nice to work with. The eye mask, I will have to use it in another video. I did use one before when I was doing all this. I was real stressed out, so I just put one on, and I really liked it. It did make my under eye very bright and moisturize. So yeah, so then the only thing that I didn't really like was this Bang Beauty gel eyeliner. I mean, it was pigmented, but when I tried to work it into the waterline, it just was not working for me. So yeah, so overall, I do give this a thumbs up. I will leave all the information linked down below so you guys can go check them out and subscribe to them. And yeah, so guys, I shall see you in my next one. Don't forget that I love you. I thank you for the support. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.